how to get time on a home screen on the iPhone. Let me show you all the important information about it. If you are new here and if it's your first time on Foxtecc, consider subscribing for tutorials and videos like this one. So whenever you are on the home screen, notice the top left corner where the time is usually present. Also inside of any app, you can see that the time is right there. But if you are interested in a bigger clock on the home screen, you can add it through the widget. So you hold down on the home screen like that, click on edit in the top left corner, and you can tap on the widgets option. So you can scroll through all of the apps which support widgets on your iPhone. And the built-in clock app will most definitely have some clock widgets available, so you can literally just scroll through it. You have one digital option and also a few analog clocks to be added to the home screen, right? So these are going to work straight out of the box. They don't require any complicated setup or any third-party app to be downloaded. So that's what's great about those apps, right? So that way you can add a time to your home screen without any issue. So that is how I would do it. If you don't like the style or if you would like to see a different design of the clock, then you can explore the App Store and literally look up the clock widget into the search, and you should be able to get some apps which will also come with the widgets which will look different. But just keep in mind that these are like third-party apps which will probably come with ads or subscriptions in most cases, so just keep that in mind. But that's it from me. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe for the upcoming tutorials and videos like this one, and I'll talk to you later.